Hi everyone, this is Dr. Pavithra, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, KCS Cosinor College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to learn about concept of utility from business economics. First, what is utility? So, utility is a satisfaction of a consumer while he is consuming the commodity. So, this is called a utility. So, it is based on the rational choice consumed that consumers will strive to maximize their utility. The total satisfaction or a benefit derived from a consuming a good or service. It is the ability of a good to satisfy a want. The concept of the utility is subjective and introspective. It is based on mental attitude and emotions of the consumer. So many economists defined the utility as a value in use of commodity to the satisfaction which one gets from consumption of a good is its value in use. We have some types of utility. First one, initial utility. Initial utility means the utility derived from the consumption of the first unit. Suppose when a consumer gets the first experience of a product or a service, the received initial amount of utility is called as initial utility because the initial utility is always positive. Next one, marginal utility. The marginal utility refers to the extra satisfaction of a consumer gets from consuming one more amount of a good or a service. For example, a consumer consuming the addition unit of the commodity at the time the utility added more. So this is called the marginal utility. For example, the first apple is give the more utility rather from the second apple. Next one, total utility. The total utility refers to the overall satisfaction of a consumer derives from consuming a certain quantity of a goods or a service. The total utility means the total satisfaction received by the consumer by consuming the all units of the product taken at a time. It is aggregate of the utility that the consumer derives from the consumption of a certain amount of a commodity. Next, there is a form of utilities. Natural utility, form utility, place utility, time utility and service utility. The natural utility is the free goods which possesses utility is known as natural utility. For example, the free natural goods are air, water, sunshine, etc. Next, the form utility. Form utility means the human efforts which help to change its shape or a form of a goods called form utility. For example, a carpenter makes a table from a piece of wood. So the raw material it's form a complete product. It changes the shape or adds the utility to the product. Next, the place utility. It is raised by transporting a good from one place to another. Generally, the commodities are produced in a factory and they are transported to the market or display place. This increases the utility of the consumer. So, it is one of the form of the utility. Next one, time utility. Sometimes a commodity is stored and with the passage of the time, it also increases the utility. It is called a time utility. For example, the old wine or a rice increases the utility of the product. It is based on the time. Next one, the last, service utility. Service utility is like doctors, teachers, engineers and artists are on a service utility. It is also gives the possesses the capacity to satisfy the human wants. Thank you.